Come with me on a busy day with 5 kids, 5 dogs, and lessons to train. So let's go. 7:30 to 10:30, I had my first group class, so that means I have all the kids and dogs fed before heading out the door. Then we headed home for about an hour. We grabbed a Sonic refresher on the way there. I nursed the baby. I fed the kids their lunch. I let the rest of the crew out to go potty. During that time, I decided to train Trigger and Sprite for a little bit before we headed over to a birthday party for one of Magnus's friends. It was at a racetrack and it was a bunch of fun. After the birthday party, we had a meetup with Torsten's class at the playground. I nursed the baby, let the kids out to play. Then we headed over to the field. At around 5, I grabbed some dinner. We had our evening group class, and then after that was done, it was my turn to train my 4 dogs. So I was at the field till about 9 o'clock. The kids got to play in the pool, and then we headed on our way home. I fed the dogs, put all the kids to bed, and then I was sufficiently exhausted.